Hello, my people. How na dey? Also, na dey fine. Also, na dey enjoy na self. Na good evening, eh? Na good evening. Get one video where I want play for na more na listen. Before I play, eh? Also, na dey hear me. Also, na dey hear me, oh. Oh, kuku wadame, oh. My people, I greet you now. Ideo. No, ijeme o. Who be that one? Asemota. Peace wono na we meka oni mekata ati yubibini. Mekata muwa na we ene Monica woge lolo. Uwa we ma bege we e ma no doje no ri egbejo. Eni ajari e bebore. Uwa we na no matin. When you create a PC. Ene PC wake de. Megani na afio boje mi mereba niya. Amen o. Amen. God forbid bad thing. Any afio boy can no make I not there. I don't fair tell you before. I say people were not concerned. You know, see now then they fight themselves. Why reason? I mean, normal karma. You know they yeah. You understand? If you know, ave man makan. Enyo ijo asile gbiyan. Ave man not tene jo egbeyan ni nezo yan mari. We aye miewe Monica ri ebege lolo. Or a lolo ri ebege Monica. Why reason? I may well God forbid bad thing. Matter. I make niya me ma on. Ni before I cake me ati e nan wa dam yo ni cake be. Me ma understand you. Why gwi o? Why we me inwina meje social media. Inwina meje bani. Igwale video ni amu ari YouTube ni awono na. Eru wala ri ebege. Beni me ya onya wori ebege Mama Gladys. Oriege lolo. Oriege Obi Daosa. Imama be no eberi ege. Me ma understand the video ne Monica over na. Iya Matthew Web ani but ima e sha o. Iya woman no we mi egbegwo. A Matthew Web egwa. Then when at you ima understand my people. Why gwi o? Why gwi? Ogi meme tama cause it's my opinion. Amana tie me be ya he ya gwojo gwore ewe igwa na egbe me kweku ati we ba awa mati we mwezo ahia we ma mwezo ojo ubi na gwo he na no we mi egbe gwo now wow my people because ni wa gbe mi ati ore brother na because igele wa like me not digest o pe no ma seti gwo wo kan egun gbugbe jo da fun ohun because ori oko no ma seti gugun ya pe nu wa no wa dame yo eri o heke no je anemi okpa na Monica over na Monica ebe na pa de mi oge no de o ma no magu we abati gu we gun una tie ni je ijo bo kan una be tie no bo kan na ege una ri ebo na ri ege omo ne tun we Monica o wi oha no memi na una ri ebo na ri ege wi oha ni enu wa he wu wa ga wo ma be umu wi oha ni o no we because oma gie wo hu oma be gie ra hu dere gu we gwen kata mu wa oma na gu wa gwa oma ni gu omo mo no ekeyin mi de no ma be na mi ja o una ati ebo na ati no hian o wi oha ni bo we na ba ti ke we live video ya gu we gwa oma eti ebo no da fon we o ti ebo no da fon we but we wala je o gbeyan je o gbeyan wo kan omo kan we live video o wo kan ba ti o we live video owo kan ba ti we live video una ja siyon because on ege agun we gun na nu we una avec nu wa do na ma do ata we na make a peace why ke nu wa ye because on any me wa to tagi me na won pe do ta ma me we ye faru me ne ma to salobua isi weti digest I dakon ya daiji isi ese ke na siese e ke na gbobi ogojo gbe mejo be ni na we etemi agian me o etemi agian me ijo be fe va gunu etemi na wa agian me igwa jo be va gunu because igwe na tagele no ola dian be na ni o waru isen yan se ti kai boge lolo aru isen Ogo beni ya ta we do ba no re ne France wo ogu we wo Monica. Many meje meti believe we because was a native doctor oka guanere no pe umami ekpazo ho umami ne taladian abi ne native doctor beta oge beniki wa ga mo ma we awozuo wa guguan ozuereba betinye kwa wozuoro no amenu wa kama konto pe show yen kwadule ahian awozuo nihin me we no na ejo no ho emi no ho jiga yawo oho wa nwi no wa fiere njo I don't bloody care won wi na won do balowe de balowe una wa ranu na tie bono momo na me gba ni nupo no hin enu we ga wu we obi ohan ni oga abati ho a abati gu egbon ma seti face abat una tie no wo kan wa gwale ne because why when about why go market na abati gwanjo mo ze na gwanjo wa mo mi ade social media o ma anybody no real social media o se ti gwanjo. Nobody can create a peace there on no yes my brother. No peace for there. Forget. Evini ya wo worry nya mo tai na we wa we mi dan ho we wo da wa bia we mi esi o be ho we wo da o. Meta ma we. E wo ma na we mi dan evini ya wo we social media. Unwe me so opopin ya we social media na wa me understand. Ika ha mo we na we o hu agbon ya re le ario webo. E o hu agbon ya on me mi nya ule ni amatala dian o se faje o dossier ni oloromana without nya mana confess ni no mani ka mi nya we yen ja biyan no way no be say na lie agbon ya re ni wari pa ori ari ogo bo ya gwale o ya gwalo toto no agbon ya o me mi nya wo iyan ni nya mi iyan mari ebe wa ma reason o me kena do ke social media se we social media no problem mi o me kena do se ona do amiewe ado amu agwajo na gbe na ni enye ladian o wi bie kani why dey mi dede me de we Monica agwa wi bie kani ti wa gbupe yo fo o wa tafu wa o do mi ro mo mero bado azin mi na bo ma bege ni niyen o na na ihe bado re wa get yan ka me we no ladian do ro le do we de yan na ona ru yunu we na ya ari egi ave palace ma mu wa sha mu wa e ke onde no bia we mu mu wa amati e we gwa amadi e be bo gwe egbe ga gwo we ga gwo yo gwo re u bia ri mi aba na ga gbo ekweku amati e we ba gwe ma ya ti ezo ma we wa ge tu ya ti ezo o ha mu we ni ya na ya bonye gbo we u mati ezo egbe ga gwo we yo gwo wo re nya se tu we ba ni a ugu gogo o nya ti nya o wa ti we ure phone wa answer we ma jonu we ya ha we na ni agbata yo megbe na yo ni sion oge native doctor ma gwan we be sion ni a uma temi rokba oni wi yen to taku wa oni there ma na mi we wa ge social media ka aje before oni do ladia na o wi yen ka go wa ro wa e video no pe o be ladia be there no be ta we yen confirm dissenting ya ma change mi yo wo ware be bogi yen o ma se nu we yare be bogi oni o ma se wa ro wozuo waje because wa no ro wozuo o we no wa ya una because wa no ro wa na egbe okwe no ro wodo na egbe okwe we na mu agwajo egbe o ibolowe edowe before we ke uke go no ro wodo gwa uka ya tolu hu ne we eke na ka si ne la ma wona isi nejo wa gbe yo gbere mu ege di abi innocent no abi nenemi na mi na o me wa so we no junu we ya ta we wo ose we wa ga ala legbe abi ma si junu we ta we do ata ni o wozu ojo o wodo because o ko no ro wodo ami egbe ne ri oni o ta la dia wo nu to ma wa je gbe iya ha me ne be no ya ta wa ha ta uwe ibieka ni e ba we yin ni awe ko no ro wodo ha ta gbe be ri oni ibieka ni o ta ege Eban we ginye because nya kama we ne do ta re yoni e ma no beta ma we ni wa nya wa ye kama we adenu do plan ne ni menage meti ka we you are innocent uwe ni yes there is something because then egbe ya gwo we then ya mia wa ujo wure abeg amati we be mi ga mia yo miare ga go yere wa mati we beta wa ti we din ya we Monica ne nemi wa ansa enya we ya ti ezo o ma se no we ya ti ezo o ma se nu we ya ti ezo ugwa we meni meje ma bona mu mi rokbage beta na mi wo na ba mistake na mu oge jomo iga agwalo de doni no o manu gwe wade 50,000 na o ma seti igwe niye gwale ke no na ti ezo wa we pay show ba ni because yan we ko so ni o wa because we no se we ha o we mi go on your wa hu we on your pa kan no abu we beta o ma mi 50,000 ya gwalo ma ma ya okay we no bia na chief na no re Facebook wo izobo igbada o ma mi owe baba o mi ge ne yan si me hian I ma we de iwonugume vembo yonugume ti e bojo o ma de ge abi o ma mi pa izobo igbada de o ma mi social media ebo aya si ere ebo wa engun magelewu okonu aje church amagunu ya gebo ni u ya mu eri because ben sabala wo no ma mu egbere oni jomo ebo no wa gba ma be 7 days mi agwalo ma no mu me 7 days because ikwe agbon ya be ba oge why nu wa na segbo ware no go do bible no go bridge juju go do this one lo lo raven bo eyin kan na we DNA u kon ke o wa en negbuwa unu we ni Monica ye palace ma de gie palace ma ha mu wa we nonsense no wa do social media enya gwa lo do ni oho wa e no ho wa si un gwaje do no ike do no ke o ga gwa yo gore ga mia yo mia re rule na egbenye kweku o ati ugwe be mama weta agbo we kweku ubege we mata won de wati ewe de na ha egbo we kweku ji enu were ba ni ave ma na tie ma nya ma so na egbenye kweku we na mati ewe o itulere odu arule we live video do ata winya re bribe de ni ati ogima baba na la gogo na la o obi da osa nenemi na egbo ekweku de no ha imu weji aga enya me do be se bani se fa na gwe gemi na wo awu we ana betie we do 20 bok do ya 20 do ma onu ya 20 we ha mi ya we iwe eneti doctor cat eni na yane o ka ta ne wetu wa woda fun wa koko we mi yakugbe ona amohu ore awa koko we kugbo na amo bia ne wa koko we kugbe it's not a new thing ma ene because ekwe mego we mi ekwe da so ya me we de we bo ma na I ka ta re dere oni ave bo so we ya ro wo do be tinye ya lele gbi ya ejo oda fun ya wo kin ya yen ni ya o they know because ekwe magi we do ta me follow we e matter no ge ni mawu no like you you like you no ma like you we like you no it's your choice oya na mi anya o bia no riokwe va no riokwe ha riokwe ne ru na mi ogwo pa kan yin ha ri be life yin ye me ni yen yoko no bunja wo eri oje ijo mo ne gbe oho ne gbe wa gele oho anu pa ba yu we oge we wa to ta o ya anwa mo ya ri be come pay show come and do this one o ma be pa we gbe o ma be fian we de gbe we matter ya gbina no bi na ero waru lere wa bene yo bene ro koso gele ru awe wa zi ajiyan gbebo emi mata wo we beni mejo me mi mata no ru we ne na you know wetin concern me me ke ne my people ni pe e ajo re brother ne gele like me nota I gele like because is nye we to de Monica le gbe o ho no mati e bona Bruce what can ru we o we boni se gbe me no we I no way so fa no wa do ade pe show problem iro wa mu igore okonu wa mu ebo gboda finye ni no we wa mu igo ginye onyo pa wa enu one need it's very bad because wa gele we just all that from wo bj boy na anybody no real adian gege u ri e bola adian but o han gwewe because we gba eto we o ma gba because we go gihian ogile loto hian nu we a lot of ehun na also wa akin at least 10 years wa gba ro we ti do tania wa arun isen we wo ge lolo arun isen o wa e wo ge lolo we na wa ge but ma ka on we wa wo da fun wa we no ma gba ma beg gege I beg my people ama no ha mi no sunu o mi no sunu beni mejo ma no do ka ma me wo ma na iwa me no eneti doctor je he ya to ama no be to o wa gege wa ba we gbo wa va wa ri eju we ona be kama we ri e begin at any place oda for we ma seti we mi opia na ha ma we ge mi no bo kan ewu o ma seti o ma mi pa zo ho because o ku ya ju wo go no ku ye wa because e gba ba ni o ege na wa be ya gba no wa be gbe ku ya ju we wa be gbe be he we egi guan na so my people Ikpe no wa my people there. Egba wa be ka be mi ona bet ni wa pe no wa dan we yo. Oni ka we gbe dan won ge. E we gbe dan me we atie bone innocent child. Unwo wi ohani all nowhere because o ma ge ra hun. When if you we ma be gi won ni. Nya ma ge won. Won ma mo na wa muru, una wa ranu, una atie bono wi amimi. O wi ohankere no e ka mi de. Una gbu unu weni no ma manu na ya aro wi yo e. Unwo wi ohani onweni ohan nowhere. Oh nowhere. Because I then we bio we no ga balu we eri ogije bi abalije. Wa ati e boda bat we wa ati e bona ba who cares? Nyogu we gon we ti beti ne wa ati ne gbuwa. Why the emoju we owo kan ne we social media ori ye bare. Oda for we social media ne. So I ti bi ati ne just because ola we ne because all si so ma se ti gu we gon o ma nyo wo bi anye na ga okwo o ma se ti gu we gon adan yo no adan emi no so no we mi ati e video na ni ape na wa dan we yo we no be na ya mwero bi because o ibungbe ri ma Denisia Ladia. D'accord. Denisia ni moi.
My do people want to share this video.
No, why
want to share this video. We the those responsible those quiet. Don't be say we don't know what's in the play. Not be say woman where they follow back, they see the pee. You can't use the mouth, Ambrose or Consena. Make all they use the mouth, make all they use after they say rubbish for social media concerning our pala. Ogu they get Ambrose. Ambrose, Ogu they get you. More than share this video, make this one. If they say I see Ambrose this afternoon, they can't beat you for beat you, Ambrose. They can't beat you for beat you. Oh God. I for to beat you this afternoon, Ambrose. You are very, very useless, but you are a fool. You are a fool, you are a fool, you are a fool. For you to get married to this kind of woman, you are a bastard. I swear, Ambrose, you are a bastard. Your woman come out. He said Papa has and Mama has they collect bribe. He said Papa and Mama has they collect bribe. Eragele tawa ya le mokifesi ya mobo. Wagele buni le mokifesi mobo. Wa buni le mokifesi mobo. Wabu. My brother, I forget to enter my new account because I'm not there with the phone right now. This phone I just deal with. So I just come back for work. So now I say, because I watch the video as I do work, you know. Monica don't get respect. Monica don't have respect. Now I put Ambrose once, I've been Ambrose. Put that woman for house. My other people want to ask a question. Now Ambrose. Now I put Monica for house. I've been a Monica. Now I put Ambrose for house. Why be say Monica go come and go disrespect our kingdom? Our yelala here. Abia where I go na here. Abia where Ronik be na here. The Monica you know to take rubbish. Ogo boy Monica. Ogo boy where you the grace. Ambrose you the grace. Why be say nothing talk to your wife? You the grace, Ambrose. Ambrose, you the grace. You the grace. And he ask you the grace. If you the insult Eddie Murphy, you the insult all of them. Talk to your wife. If you not try that rubbish again, that kind of rubbish what I do last time. If you not try out this time, Monica will swear. Your husband there, all your family will go below all of them. Because that's what I say, man put you for house, you don't fit coordinate you, you don't fit talk to you. You are just like a fool. You are a fool. You are a fool. Look at a video. Where so much people. Fear don't let her come out for social media. Say, Babala, La Gumetiana. You the crazy. Monica, you crazy. Monica, you the crazy. Ambrose, you the crazy. Ambrose, you the crazy. You the mad Ambrose. I ask you now, not the crazy. You know social media. When I go use that brain, Ambrose, if you not feel walk, you not feel hustle, you not feel chop. Say woman call the hustle, they come. God use the body, everything to the hustle, they come into the job. You know me say me not get it boundary, me not get it limit. You understand? You know, concern me say whether or not they insult to themselves, whether or not they do anything, I don't give a fuck. You understand? For your woman to come out on social media, God they disrespect the papa and mama, is a very foolish. He disrespects the papa and mama where they grave. He's a very foolish man that you be, because you give out the audacity. When you got to do that video, Ambrose, sorrow will never finish for your house. Problem will never finish for your house. Ambrose, thunder will punish you. Ambrose, thunder will punish you. For you not to respect our monarch, thunder will punish you. If your woman want us, if your woman want proof, say yes, she that innocent. For what they lack, she will buy tickets, she will go Nigeria. She will go summons them, she will go carry paper for there. You go feel them. They go summons them. No, they say go come out for social media. Babala, are you a Monica, Ambrose, Una don't finish. You see that video where your wife do? That video where you send your wife, Ambrose, that video, me I don't go talk to your wife, I don't go insult your wife. Ambrose, now you go key. Ambrose, now you turn and go follow. The way they disrespect our papa, the way they disrespect our monarch, now so turn out they disrespect you. Now so turn out they rain for your house. Ambrose, Wagbe. Ambrose, Wazaga. Ambrose, I said, may I tell you this afternoon, for you put in a woman for house, you know if you coordinate her. Ambrose, you are a fool. Ambrose, you are a fool. Ambrose, you are a very, very big fool. You there, your woman, they do video. See what they come out for her mouth. He say, Papa Kingdom, in Mama Empire, say that they collect bribe. Say that they do matter. They know they see truth for matter. You know go so much people. You say, you dey your house, you go check by your phone down. All your phone go, you go chat them down. You go watch them down. Maybe say you wanted to wait, maybe they take call you. Monica, Ambrose, thunder go punish you now too. Thunder go punish you now too. For una to disrespect our kingdom. I don't go blame una now. Now people will first start now. I give una the audacity now. Who be una before we be say what call Puma the toss? Ambrose, your papa, your generation, your generation, they enter our kingdom. Amen. Well, no wahala, sir. Monica, actually say you want to say because of money where they get, you want to bring our monarch, you want to bring our kingdom to your level. So I can't do the same level. You are a big fool. I say you are a big fool. Your generation are big fool. Your generation. You remember Eddie Murphy, Tony Kabaka na in-law. When Eddie Murphy fuck up, he carry a go palace. Because I think that's a palace. You dey craze Monica, Ambrose, Ambrose. Olari Ogoyoba, Weti Gwekwa, Ambrose. Wobia. That your team that do this way down your leg, make them cut out away. Because of money, you know if you can't talk to your wife, yes, don't do such video. Let's hustle for more, let's look for money and buy tickets and some of these people in palace. You never do that. You just on your video, you recording your wife. La go baba, egi agbe kweku. Tano bo kweku. When we are webo. Is it not a shame? Maybe say they don't see respect himself. Oh, I don't get any respect. It made no sense now. No sooner than last soon. All see rubbish in arena. No, I don't have one. No, I could be a dog when you are rubbish now. You're seeing a ya. You may have to go no, no. You're going to win also. You're going to win any. Chicken change no can answer you. You go to your one win. It's nothing. No, I'm working to work photo, Bahara, Oya Moria, Tetanara, Okbo. I said, well, we are the very jar to work more. we walk boy. Odo ya Josa give you do. Okay, no senior where Edo people, that's what their character be. Edo people, that's what their character be. Eh? Why can we come on no toy? Why can we can all see no scenario nana? No, this invest me as I did so I invest. If this I see Bruce this afternoon, this is where I did now Bruce there. The can't beat you for bitter me for go station. I swear. The can't beat you for bitter Bruce. Bruce, don't worry, you will see collect slap. You will see collect slap. I pray me I not jam me for airport or jam me for Nigeria. I swear you will collect slap for me. Bruce, I mark him down. I will slap you. I swear. Bruce, I will. Don't worry. Just keep on. Whether or not they fight with the Murphy, they fight with any, all of them, they fight. I don't give a fuck. All of you are motherfuckers. All of you are motherfuckers. I don't give a fuck about any of you. But what I'm interested in, for your wife coming out to do a video concerning my kingdom, she's totally bastard. She's totally bastard. So my other people, see una will be Monica supporter or Bruce supporter, una go tell them, may they beware from our kingdom. You understand? If you know say they pull out for your head, balance not there when you do you come. You understand? They're not there when they shoot you. When you say a line, now your friend put for your head 5 and 6. There are many ways to prove it. There are many ways to prove it. If I was the one, I'm a man that put you, I married you, by now you'll be your parents' house, not joke. I swear, by then you'll be your parents' house, not joke, not be mad now, they crazy. No, how they look face. No, they look face. They crazy. You say you born for me, your friend go do DNA. If my DNA not match with your own, I swear, that your own, I go burn now. I go put fuel, put kerosene, I go burn now. I will burn now, so that next time if you come up from my house, you know another person don't feel bug there. You go to smell not feel bug. I swear I go put fuel. Now me they talk not be joke. Saga more. Our way can be a quick. Again, I wanna ya waiting ya brabi wa. Ya go ni ya brabi. The brabi bambusi. Bruce, the brabi when one swan, I don't swear that many times when you go call for one swear. One saga, you're doing. I said, I said, can I walk with you? You my dick in them, my dear, I swear, Sakana. I swear. Understand? You don't want to me say, don't me blame. I said, you go, I'm a winner. I'm a winner, I'm no man, because any I give away. When you give away, Ikata, why you go to social media? Wagena, Wamwe Yaria, you monkey face, I will not pull a wa. Wamari Urena Wella, Wamasigo. Why do I go probably on the social media? Was there any money can you like to know where Malagate Boggy was a Malia when you're talking so much, not Bobonia, no so, area so. If you don't know where I will, area so. Oi Baba, area yasu. Area yasien and Yuria. Area yasu. Area yasu. Area yasu. Area yasu. No gile we yes a tea gile. Oh Bobonia, when I go so. The movie more bane. A lot more bane. Yekwe. But I'm not supposed to Nigeria. Oh my la lamu subi mona. Oh tia jo. Yeah, we yes, Magale where Yamatie. What ya some say at Murphy, Lolo, at the end of the Latin, Baba, Lago, Ubeva, Shena, Niakewata, Hallelujah, Kiani. Hallelujah, Kewe, Monica, Hallelujah, Kowe, Owa, Ejene, Owa, Giawe. Bruce, you go, you are you. Oh, Bruce, only where you are. Monica, Bruce, you are. Sabah, La Manivia do my suo. Bruce, you are Dosha. It's not from Edo State. Yeah, what town sign a lap you. autant ça, allez à moi, les Cameroun. Vous êtes devant la Wambudia, Ozaga, idée, rien il va bon rien là, yes, sir? Okay, thank you. Iliado, wagui. Abola Ambrose igbe. Ambrose, abola wegbe o. Abola wegbe Ambrose. Enu la we ti goku nuri yo wa gun. Ekita ri yo wa, ekita ori yo wa. Sisi we ti gbe kita we gun na fi agun ya e. Ambrose we yan ka fi ya e. Ambrose we yan ka wa ya sun e. Aboy la we gbe wa gun. O ran ila tian. Ogun we ri yo wa. Ye no ya address ye. Yi jime. Awo we ni emi justice. Justice in Gualo, Babanula, Yawan to Boa Timatana. Monica Bobekia. Can you tell God the number second to come and judge your case? Can you even see the deputy governor to come and judge your case? Are you crazy? Are you mad? The chief justice of Edo State. You don't even bold to even talk the way you talk today. Abus, Abobue, Wabolaweko. Oh, you are Muelega. Do that, quick it on that one here. Asaga. On our way, BC, Puna, Puya, comment here. Turn that way, go rain. I don't know, sir. Because I did vet this afternoon. I swear I did vest. This is how Bruce go let me say. The guy beat one for Peter Bruce this afternoon. That for Peter, man. Oh, my God. When Monica buy ticket cost now, I swear we will flog and king. Monica, just buy ticket say you go Nigeria, we will flog you king. I swear. And Bruce, we will flog you, tie you joint tree. They go use Koboko to flog you. For you not to fit take care of your dog where you put for us. You know if you say now. Why you can't buy the dog now? And Bruce, why you can't buy dog? You know if you say now. Is it not a disgrace? Is it not a disgrace, Ambrose? You bite dog, you cannot even shame the dog. You want the dog to be biting everybody. Are you crazy? Now he's disrespecting his own father. Ambrose, man, come on, man. Are you normal? Are you normal? You say you're educated, but you are illiterate, man. You are illiterate, bro. How come my wife just come out and said, Babala, when I know even my governor of my state cannot even the president of my nation have to back down and greet my royal father. So at the end you are saying rubbish. You're doing what you always see, man. You're doing what you always see. What go Monica? I go to see Kwan. I go to no man Nick Bay. I go Kwan. Kitana ya there, not yet. Kitana ya there, no sin, see. Then when I walk here, I move by Ambrose. Ambrose, if you know, say they laugh for your head. Go to court, sue them, or go to Shuran, go and summons them. Then everything will be sweet. You understand? But where that you didn't do all those ones? Your wife is coming out on social media to say, are you crazy? Are you crazy? Are you normal, Bruce? Bruce, are you normal? You have a Bruce, you have a Bruce, Bruce, Andrew, this one here, ma. As was well. Benny, one leader, yes, a leader, and a leader. Con vere zele. If you're doing, allow agui. But we now Monica 24 hours marrying a video no delete. A video when I delete, you go delete that video. No delete the video. Now Bruce, tell your wife to go and tell your dog, your female dog, to go and delete that video under 24 hours. If not, we'll flog you. If we not flog you for physical, we'll flog you for spiritual. So, yeah, I thought I must say, so they had to say, I agree. At a man Bruce, when I time the guitar, I pick with your daddy.
Hello, my people. Atuna here. So now so this our brother talk and reach. My people, nizedo me. Na mo reba. They will not heke no. Then the Monica ya una rio heke no. The answer is no. Amati ye bezo. You na do our live video. On our live video, mama no gi on. Mama kwema no kwe hame we go do that live video do one like this. I don't know sena. Amati we. Ukpu we waro du hu. Wa egbe me kweku. Amati we ma be yati o ma. Ana gele awe mi na we je so ma gele we mi na yo ni gele we imi oto pe no wa ketai ile luwa kuse wa ma onu wa take. Uya mo ebore. After where they na church I they go. Why one water when na church they go na people when they talk say na church I they go na church. Ime mo yin. Where the church you where? People when they talk like that. I beg. Forget. The church why I here potopotone. This one not be church oh. If you do me say you do me something like this, I not go agree oh. Ile kwe bo wa no ya muere. Again, you want to tie. Since you not bring account, that means you do something. I mean, you not see the monitored one. All those pay show whether they do give you. You not see the money. Say, okay, may I go carry this money? I want go all this thing. Or second, no ya for motor. 2 years, ya why 2 years ya go we go no what to ta. Ya go because you went who you they say lolo na 5. How many you believe lolo for now? Talk your own. Lolo na 5. Okay, how many you can be? You can they look. Now so you talk on that day. He say lolo they naked. He they look and he go say this thing not good though. Hi. Better man no lele when ya con de rua. Ya con ya bo so bo. Ya. Some of them. Ya con emi no emi ya tie kata ne. Ama mi oto e wo bowe. He can't say in get belle. I get belle oh I want bon. Me she for no talk. I get belle. I want born. Like, hey, congratulations. On a gbegwe bani. On my time, ladian. On that for my gwan. Person say lick your wife leg. Ote forcing. Ote huyen juwa. Can you imagine? Okay, that kind of person made those CNN no magba yet is no. Because umaka ya sinye. Like say wetin e wala di ona we I no bia ni tana ya mo bojo. Only when no query e bere say me go bring juju paper. Anywhere we want draw and go say ready. Umajo, you can't talk say you be innocent. Now Lolo do everything. I not say Lolo na innocent. Where something they will Lolo still do. But you want go tell say you not do something. Even waiting they come out for your mouth. Even wait as you tell they do. Not be you now open a fear cody. Not be you they carry a moment rubber they put this thing for inside this thing. No more do na today na do ata we be kani okay ba wi enya wo ko no ro wodo ya ha te me nya ta gegbe ya we be kani you don't see your life that's the way you tell you say me can't do that video because they don't tell you what you want talk eta gegbe we be kani if you tell people say you with your husband now know what you na they do then go rest for the matter simple as ABC simple as ABC just I do one which one you call the Tony? We all know. Even the papa wala said the same thing. You do something. Okay, more than see now they say it's some more people. If you want some more person, say okay. What did they put for your head now? Like you go carry Lolo, you go carry Monica, you draw them. Abi no me so they tell they do one. Why you go leave Monica? You go say na only lolo you want carry go. Now Monica carry you come. Monica mo na ya dey. All these things. They gonna ko ware na she carry am come. Say Austin they do lolo. Na lolo come open ma say okay papa wanna see they do you. Now so it happen. Now you fair talk for lolo body. Video there everywhere. That when that almost a month where you tell they talk go the filet adultery woman. Now you carry am come. Now you. Na Monica carry am come. Ima hate where but what you they do I not like am. Man like especially no waya uni no waya unyo vi we ni because wo uma care like me if person touch my pikin I go ije me ma why worry you follow there I not agree. Pikin we don't grow we don't they go school they'll call the tell and say that one not be your papa they say your papa na another person uma say ti gbin na no your honey on your wa di mess everywhere we cannot come what few akara we je we can everywhere all of your honey all di me everywhere man say ti gbin na no your honey but o denu e sha o iwa leru na mi ewo wa we abruso gele bia da abruso bia o denu e omokpia no omokpia wazin gbe hoy. So my people, that's why I say as I just see the video now say me I play am for now. So Monica, you know what to do. I am in a beta mama unwe mi no heke nu bo no come talk say your papa no dey do juju o your mama no dey do forget that thing. They don't say me you go do juju. Call epa izobo gbada wa bege de bani epa oge nani ya mujo mo won bungbe yo ni mo ebogbejo ija 50,000 wa ge 50,000 be say we ya we o ma me 50,000 no ya sin because won ewu we because aha wa no water say uwe abi o ma we e dani akeso enu we ya ha we ya ta lele we akose aha vebo I vun eledi an awa te mata be no je so that say bo aha o ha come an be no ya sun e because won ewu we eri o geru wala beje na o bene yo benere awe no tie ma bezo ona ya tie we nya wo ge lolo we uda wo otemo bi e bi ati oni atana amu oge ba wo hu oge no ma set isie abeg my people if I just dey look all this I just dey see there see una person put life for your head uma em no heke no na make me like that woman we dey bejo onye wata webo wa anything no wa mo oge ba ebo wa no because agbo ya take emi ni wa wata yo megbe iwa ya wo iwe gelewe ni ma u no ro no tokan o wa wata straight wa no straight wa amure because ebo man believe ji I amure no wa do ata na we I no know and they tell they do I no sabi ebo ima ma nwera na bi jene I will tell you say ma nwa ba ya abega ni egene de aberi ma bi jima eni ugwe ba ni ya gaje egene na do amia we na church adego no be church adego ugwe ya gaje ya to tajo eje ma mo erega bonokpa egene na do amia church na mo se ti si en egbewe o wo ja ti ezo egbe ga gwo we yo gwo were uga onisa ma ngwe ya to taye konpa uga ru lela dia we live video wa re gbe me kweku o wi da osa ne we ti o wi da osa ezo a ma ti e gbe ti e lolo o ma ti e wa do azo yo zo re wa mu iya ya hunjo mu ya be ni mejo we ma mu mejo mo re no I don't know where the story they go iwa hon straight and direct I dey come me we be na no I dey set be play me when we ya gbe ball wa ya be follow ya gbe ball play them go this side I go pass and go that side abeg e ga ta wuro wodo wo zuo je because do wuro wo zuo we aru ogwa wa make noise wa wu any other from where arrive ni okan God forbid bad thing. Sometimes if I want to do this how the way I just dey do so I'll go lock myself for inside one room. I know they lie. I'll dey for inside one room. I'll give my family chance. You do hear gbe kon pa. Wa ujo ure ogbegedian because you work control wa. You no tell control no na be am very respect job ya ri beg on na na bo mu gboda for because mighty go wegun. I will gbe down we gwagi ma ave no sense ngwa be social media ni yema gwa wa ha tie o ezo gwa ya tie be mi nya tie awe konuro reva ni wa ya mu ebo palace ogima no sense no wa do ni ko no ko wa fi wu waji wa ikama mu gwe ekono wa ko wa zin eji o ko wa ra ja dan ya do awu wa gine ba ni o ma kan anybody egbu wa ni hin wa ri palace ogima jo oni ahun rubbish no sense o wa ni we no ni etu we ti o ma ropa we ya ba wo oge 2 years o ma ti okpi amati okwo gwa goyo gore ga oni sa ma gwa ya to ta ikon pa wa ta we ya wa ti ewe we unu we gu we ya ti o ma unu we mago ya ti o ma we ido ti ebo na o oyan mu oge ba mo hu o obi da sa mu oge jo mo hu o no pa mu oge jo mo hu o because when we mata yan ta o si o mo na set tie abe my people me I live una me I go do something abe rubbish ni ya wa agin yen we mo na see them even nene lolo selfie we le je say ya mu me bo ni we o wu love your cousin do ma love your cousin I no care o say na church where Shanika be ven o ka be ven bon no me bo pa no ven le there on I was so shocked me Monica wa even bo pa kan o pa ke kan na le mi we iga gele we dan eri wogun na o ma me mi o pa do ro wa egui o he me mi o le gwa we na be fian ni me mi o ni unu ya ta yo tare unu o ta ge dian I beg you me I live una me people Monica we gbe dan when ti e bon obi o ma ro pa when ni ta ma we e bon uti e ni ohun worry because obi o han ni o ma gie wo hun e we gbe dan when obi o han twen no e da one day o ma e mi na o wa gbon o gege mu ebu wa li egbere re una ri egie obi o han ni yen gu wegun eni o lo gwa na bege ya be nu wa me social media na wa confess na wa temi nu wa ule o si o ma na fo na e fo unwo mani nu wari ari e ke no ma ke ko wari ejo ni wa do tamo mani wa mana tamo mani e fo wo to agbon yari eni e pa o mani nu wa nu wa u because wa ga eni we me lolo wa nya ezo wa ma eti egbu wa be ke ropa bete ma no do gun ajo iyan ti egbiyan iyan gbena riviere yo ona de bawe igbina nare ye nokpa de ba nokpa igbina nare iyan ti egbiyan ezo bet wa no nya ezo wa ma ti egbu wa people o ma no ga ta ba we make peace iyan o nwe ha make peace o me na ya make amana mi e mata wu we o mana gwa se we no do make peace ni o be la we gbe so na make am my people I don't talk my own wa bye bye wa hun wi wa chao wa gumesho no na Bruce mi ke na mi yan sun agbugbejo ohun ne e ma say yan if you be your own e wo no je ni wake up for sleep wa go ogwo mo kan egwa because yan heavy because no wo pa ohun ne respect da fun ohun no matter how ho ne gbe abalowe o je yan we je so pe ari e we ju wa make I calm down wa we gbagbagbagbo o bi awo ori yen we wo bia no oni ori wo wa my people wa bye bye wa ciao see you wa bye bye na good night